The Pathogan Ningmanja Sangma Athletic Stadium was inaugurated in Tura on Friday. The stadium has been named after the freedom fighter Pathogan Sangma. The state-of-the-art facility stadium has been constructed at a cost of Rs 16.02 crores. The inauguration ceremony saw the presence of Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and other dignitaries. The stadium, equipped with an 8-lane synthetic athletic track meeting international standards and an administrative block, is dedicated to fostering athletic excellence and nurturing the aspirations of the budding champions. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Sangma said that the impact of this infrastructure goes beyond medals and victories, and the Meghalaya government is investing in grassroots sports with over 200 new infrastructures at an estimated cost of Rs 500 crore.
We know you all are hungry, starving, but
just to share with all of you that there is a second phase for this project. So in the second phase, we are expecting to put up a full gallery out there with certain shops and certain areas for rooms and facilities, so that this place can be used for many other programs, and not just sports programs, but even if possible, if the technology and the rules allow, then even other events in the long run, so that we can get the maximum utility from the infrastructure and the investments that have been made in this particular place.